type VaccineFinder.org into your URL. Click the Find COVID-19 Vaccines button. Enter your 5-digit zip code into the field provided. Click the Search for Vaccine button. See a list of providers in your area. Island Drug is listed for Island County. However, they are not receiving vaccines from the federal program. Select any provider that has an available in-stock notation. You can click the arrow that's going to the right to show you that you can go to that pharmacy's information. Then you can follow their process for contacting them to receive vaccines. If you do not want to continue with the provider that you have selected, you can click the Return to Search Results button and go back to the main screen where you can select other providers. If a pharmacy's information is not listed, you can search for the pharmacy's information online and contact them directly for an appointment. Please do not make multiple appointments. Thank you.